What is up, my loves? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by the title, we are grocery shopping and filling my new fridge and pantry slash cabinets. Based on our area, there's two places that we're gonna go to. My friend Sophia told me about Aldi and said how they have a lot of like cute little snacks, probiotic drinks, stuff like that. And I haven't been since college, so I was like, let me give it a try. So we're gonna try that for the first time. And then also Giant. So I'm excited and let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, we made it back. Probably took us an hour and a half to shop because we stopped at two stores like I told y'all earlier. But let's just get into this haul quickly so my frozen stuff can be put away. Y'all know the drill. I'm just gonna work from left to right, but I got applesauce because y'all know I can't take pills without applesauce. Baby spinach, 2 things of frozen sausages. We can have these in the morning for breakfast. Blueberries and strawberries. We ran out of mustard and mayo, so got yellow mustard. And then I'm trying to be healthy, so I got light mayonnaise. Never tried this yogurt because I don't shop at Aldi, but I got this whole milk yogurt vanilla organic. Excited to try this. So we eat dairy-free cheese, and normally from Walmart we would get the mixture, but they didn't have it. They had them separate, so we got dairy-free mozzarella. I like to put this in our eggs and it'd be so good. I always like to have snacks on the go, like if I don't have time to eat or if I need a quick healthy snack. And these are chocolate chip granola bars organic, and these are oatmeal squares, cinnamon brown sugar. I've never tried these and I love Nature Valley, so had to try them. And then another snack are these on-the-go sweet nut packs. It comes with milk chocolate cashews, honey roasted peanuts, and Himalayan salted dark chocolate almonds. So these are probably gonna be really good. Got 2 cereals, one for me, one for Dylan. This is just like, sometimes comes in clutch on the weekend, like if I want something sweet. So I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch and he got honeycomb. And I actually bought cereal containers, new ones, to put those in. So I'm glad I have that. Dylan got a bunch of these chunky light tuna little snack packs, which is really good. It'll be really healthy for like a quick little snack for him when he's hungry. I got cheese slices to put on my turkey sandwiches when I make them. I want to try these dried mango. I really just need snacks that are sweet that will hit when I have a sweet tooth, because I'm trying to lock in for the summer. Dylan got these coconut flakes because he's obsessed with coconut and he thought he could put this in his rice. He'd be experimenting, I don't know. Then he also picked up these toasted coconut cookie thins. He really likes coconut, as you can tell. And then these are like the off-brand popcorners, so I love those, so I was like, I want them. Into the beverages, almond milk. I saw this on another girl's YouTube video, and so I told Dylan about it, he wanted to try it, but organic banana milk. Orange juice. Y'all, I wanted to try this because it said Good Belly prebiotic and probiotic juice drink, raspberry and blackberry flavored, and it's for gut. This is from Aldi. Everything that I'm showing you is either from Aldi or Giant, so if you have questions about something specific, just let me know in the comments. This is iced coffee for Dalen. I got this raspberry lemonade. It was literally only $1. And then we got a whole bunch of kombuchas. I already tried mine. I don't like the other like KitchenAid. Is it Health Aid? Not KitchenAid. Health Aid kombuchas. I don't like those, but this one's bomb. It's strawberry lemonade from Aldi. So if you're picky with kombucha and you don't like the way it tastes, you'll like these. So we got 2 strawberry lemonade. Dalen got 2 ginger lemon, and then he got a key lime one. I got green apples. I love to eat these with peanut butter as a snack. Also got some bananas, and we were starving, so we split a muffin in the car, but I got blueberry muffins. They come in clutch as a snack. Got Brussels sprouts as a veggie. Got uncured maple bacon turkey bacon. 2 things of pasture raised brown eggs. Sourdough bread, if you know, you know. It's just really good for your gut health. Got some avocado oil. Cracked pepper kettle chips. Some True Fruit strawberry, chocolate covered strawberries. So good. I'm really excited for these from Aldi. They're protein, buttermilk, and vanilla flavored waffles with 12 grams of protein. These are gonna be so good. I pray all this fits in our freezer, y'all. We got some more rice cakes. These are caramel corn. Then for some freezer knickknacks to try, just like Trader Joe's be having, we got these stuffed jalapenos, pork egg rolls. Dalen wanted these. I'm probably not gonna be a fan, but Salisbury steak. My mom just gave me these so much as a child. I'm just over them now. Dalen got goat cheese, big thing of jasmine rice, creamy almond butter, pasta sauce, because I got some garlic knots that I'll show y'all, and I want to make spaghetti soon. I told Dalen, I was like, all the healthy girls be eating these, and he was like, oh gee, yeah, I've been seeing them too. Dates. He just tried them, said it tastes like a big raisin. I haven't tried it yet, I'm scared, but everybody be talking about them. So I wanted to try. Honey wheat pretzels. Oh, Dalen, these are honey wheat? I didn't realize they were honey wheat. Yeah, I used to eat those. Then we got these sweet potato chips. We started eating them. Bomb. Dalen said these are top 5 chips he's ever had. These are from Aldi. Super good. So snacks that help Dalen when he like lose weight, when he's trying to lose weight or cut. He likes 0 sugar drink like sodas to have because it keeps him full, or low calorie popsicles. So he found these at Aldi, 20 calorie. We don't know if they're good yet, but the Outshine bars, can't miss. Then I got a pack of regular bacon to put in the freezer. Aldi's had the mini chomps, got some of these. Got 2 of these to eat now because we haven't eaten all day with moving. And Dalen just ate his. Was it good, Dalen?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, but it's chicken tikka masala wrap, street wraps. That sounds so good. Got some salmon. Dalen got ground beef, 90% lean, 10% fat. Then he got 2 more packs of ground beef, 93% lean, 7% fat. And then he picked up these stadium style Bratz sausages, I think. And I wanted stuff in our freezer for like if we're running out of groceries or we don't feel like cooking, that we can just heat up. And I saw these pork carnitas. It says just heat and serve, reheats in 3 minutes. So I'm really excited about these because we have tortillas, so I can just put them in tortillas. We have salsa, just put some salsa, and that will be a Taco Tuesday. This also looks so good. It's basil parmesan chicken. I hope it came with the pasta, but if not, I could just put it over some pasta. Got this from Aldi. Then, I'm so excited for these. This is gluten-free General Tso's chicken. Like, we're gonna be stocked for a while because I could just take a few out and put it over some rice. Like, yes, thank you, Jesus. Then I saw these, and I'm curious as to like how it'll be, but they're earth-grown, vegan, plant-based Southwest burrito bowl. Then also this one is lentil and veggie tikka masala with pumpkin and sweet potatoes. We just love tikka masala anything, so I was like, that's probably fire. Then I got a chickpea and veggie korma with green beans and cauliflower. So again, something if we're running low on groceries or just want something quick during the day, can put over some rice. Last food item are garlic knots. And then lastly, we're trying out these Sprite Zero Sugar Chill. It's cherry lime. So let's get into stocking my fridge and freezer. We'll start with the freezer so that stuff doesn't melt.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been vibing with, and why can't you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my world less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my arms sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs.
Good and nasty, but I'm classy with this shit. So pop a couple Zannies for me quick. Pop a couple Zannies for me. Pop a couple Zannies for me quick. Pop a couple Zannies for me, bitch. Like.
I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden bills, bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled, all because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to problems. I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room. She can stay in my room, and it ain't mine. I was tryna play it right. I was tryna treat you nice. Funny how you start. Sitting on the wrong side. We have a problem.
All right, you guys, I officially finished putting everything away, so I'm just gonna show you guys a little tour. So up here I have the eggs and the bacon on top because I don't need to move the bacon to get to the eggs. I have my Tazo chai tea latte, Dalen's Celsius, and some Milani's behind it. Our kombucha and water because this fridge didn't come with a water filter like our last one, so we have our Brita. Down here are the Sprites, the zero sugar ones, our strawberries, blueberries, and I want to go find some grapes because the 2 stores that we went to, there were small baby grapes and I don't like them that size. So I want to find some grapes and then I'll put that on top of here. We have our orange juice, raspberry lemonade back there, my prebiotic and probiotic juice, and then the banana milk, 2 almond milks, 2 coffees. Down here I put the apples, some cheese, my applesauce, cinnamon rolls, and then down here I put veggies, so like the Brussels sprouts, spinach, and then the proteins that we're gonna cook for the week. So I'm meal prepping salmon, Dalen's meal prepping beef, then just some hot dogs and turkey breasts, and then the hot dogs or the sausages that he bought. Everything fits so perfectly and I have more space, which I love, to grow. Then over here, a lot of the stuff we brought from home, like when it comes to sauces, so you guys didn't really see them in the haul, but we just put all of our sauces here, kind of did them by like height, and then beef broth for cooking, jerk seasoning. Down here I kind of put like the healthy stuff, so like Dalen takes this aloe vera every day, his apple cider vinegar, my vitamins, leftover kombucha that I didn't finish, and then there were just 2 Sprites left, so I put them back here, and then my yogurt fit here really nicely. At the top, I just put my butter, strawberry jam, Dalen's goat cheese, garlic paste, these 2 relishes, and then some salsa. And as you can see, we still have space, which I just love. This fridge surprised me. It actually has a lot of space. Getting into the freezer. On this side, which is stuff that we brought from home and wasn't in the haul, I just put like our smoothie fruit, our vegetables, peas, Dalen's frozen avocados for his smoothies. I was able to fit this over here. This is an ice pack that we keep in the freezer that's really good, just in case you never know. Then pretty much everything else fit on this side. Like I told you, I was gonna freeze that other bacon. Then up here, I just put little small stuff that could fit, and I put it neat like a puzzle just so it could fit a lot. This is leftover butter, true fruit, popsicles, and then our little ice rollers and some sauces that came in like previous frozen food I made. Also pretty spacious and surprised me. So when it comes to our pantry, what I did was I put all the cooking type things in here and then the snacks in like the cabinets. So up here are just canned goods, extra pancake mix, oats, beans, milk, condensed milk. And then down here we have all of our pasta, pancake mix, rice. Those are my, what is it called? Granola for my yogurt, but it's not really a snack. Like it goes into something. So I put it here, overnight, or oats, chia seeds, flour, and brown sugar. So I just love how everything is easily accessible and it all fits on one shelf. And it looks cute. So over here, when it comes to the cabinets, if you guys get the gist of it, these are where my snacks are. So I put rice cakes in a container because Dalen always doesn't wrap them back. Then behind that are the pretzels. These are all chips. More snacks like his coconut flakes, the dates, the mangoes. Our 2 new cereal containers, which I love, and they will be linked under kitchen. And then our 2 Lazy Susans. At first I had them side by side, but I was wasting so much space behind it, so I just staggered them because that's overflow. Wait, actually, our avocado spray needs to be up here because we're gonna use that every day. Okay, there we go. And then back there is just like pasta sauce, sauces that haven't been opened yet, like the mayo and mustard that I got today. I won't open it until we need it. And then back there is just popcorn, and then those tunas that Dalen, if he wants them, and then the other little vegan snacks I had gotten, like the Southwest chicken, whatever stuff. And then I'm just putting our sourdough bread here because it's right by the stove and below above the toaster for when I make breakfast, and then the rest of the snacks. And it all just fits so perfectly. I'm so happy. And then when it comes to the muffins, I haven't put them away yet, but I was just gonna put them right there or on the counter. I'm not sure yet. There is space up here, but like I can't reach that, so And I could put it behind on this shelf, which I might do, but yeah. Alright you guys, that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love the way everything turned out. It makes me excited to cook, just be in my kitchen because it's now filled and organized, and I can get back to cooking and meal prepping. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget that everything, all of my organizers that I showed today are going to be linked to my Amazon storefront if you're interested. But yeah, love you guys so much, and see you gang out. Bye y'all.